Let's face it, if you're living with diabetes, mastering your glucometer is a lifeline. Yet, most people are getting it wrong. This video is crucial for anyone managing diabetes or caring for someone who is. Today, we're talking about the common mistakes in using a glucometer and why addressing these is vital for better diabetes management. Stick around. You won't want to miss this eye-opener. So what exactly is a glucometer? It's not just a device. It's your daily compass for diabetes management. Here's the kicker. Many folks assume they're nailing it just because they're following the manual. But here's where things go south. It's easy to misinterpret those readings. The secret? Recognizing the common pitfalls and being more discerning about what those numbers actually mean. Using a glucometer isn't rocket science, but doing it right requires some know-how. Here's a quick step-by-step. Always wash your hands. Yes, that tiny detail. Insert a clean test strip and make sure it's compatible with your device. Check your environment. Temperature and humidity can skew your results. Want accuracy? Verify the timing and ensure you're in the right state, be it fasting or post-meal. Consider downloading a reliable app to log and interpret your readings effectively. Interpreting glucometer results can feel like decoding a complex puzzle. Each number tells a part of your story, but it's the trends that reveal the full picture. Pay attention to patterns rather than isolated readings. Logging these numbers is your best ally in recognizing these trends. And believe me, it's a game changer for long-term diabetes management. Let's discuss the fusion of tradition and innovation. Integrating ancient wisdom with modern tech is where magic happens, especially within the African diaspora. Initiatives that focus on diabetes awareness are sprouting up and offering a wealth of support. Share your experiences and network. The story of managing diabetes resonates more if told together, embracing cultural nuances while leveraging today's technologies. Before we wrap up, let's recap the key takeaways from today. Proper glucometer use and understanding those numbers can transform your health journey. Remember, knowledge isn't just power. It's your strongest ally in overcoming diabetes-related challenges. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Let's spread the empowerment.